It's officially time to change the banner. No more Southern California. I've moved up to a small town in Utah. It's between Salt Lake City and Ogden. But you can see I got most of my stuff up here. Here's the front half of the shop. The back's still a little bit of a mess, but this is where I'll do all my little fabby stuff. Anything that's gonna, you know, shoot metal all over the place. Got the mill up here. That was a total nightmare. Don't do that in a U-Haul if you if you decide to move one of those. Not smart, but a little lathe setup over here. So on the agenda for today, I gotta start making some parts. So this is a piece of 6061 aluminum. It's nice, made in the USA stuff. I've got a couple scrap chunks of this around still, and I need some parts to sell. So we're gonna do some shift knobs. I'm not exactly sure what design I'm gonna do yet, but the problem I was having with mine when I was riding it the other day, it doesn't have a bottom, so it's hard to find. So I might do something with a slit, so it'll kind of grasp your hand in there a little better. But yeah, we're kind of gonna just roll with it, see what we turn up with. For all you safety guys out there, see, I got the glasses on today, and the long hair's gone, so nothing's gonna get caught in the lathe. Now you can kind of see what we got going on. Trim down the base smaller than OD of the outside, and then in here I wanted this slot for your fingers. So if you're shifting, you can grab it with your fingers and kind of slap it so you can kick it into gear. I don't know, it just seemed like a good idea. So try it out, keep working, but you can kind of see where we're at right now. Gauntlet thing going here, but I ended up rounding the bottoms. If you saw, I brought the file in and just you can gently just slide it, so I'll get a rough cut with the lathe and then file it in, and then now it's smooth enough where I can just sand it really quick and end up with a good finish. So here's our shift knob. This is how it sits right now. I left a little more meat on the top just in case I need it. I'll cut that off right now and see how the length is. But here's the trick. So when you chuck aluminum in your jaws, it'll indent it. Each jaw will indent right in your aluminum, unless you have aluminum jaws, which most people don't. So take a little sleeve like this. This is just 3/4 inch exhaust tubing with a cutout here. Take that, slip it over your aluminum like this, and then chuck it down in that, and it'll give you an even bite without ruining the piece you just made. Here it is, finished product. Nice little guy. All these ones that I'm gonna make too, they're gonna be drilled for 3/8, so if you want it coarse or fine or whatever, let me know. But nice little beehive one. Now you can see when you're riding, I have a tendency of holding it all the time. Now if you hold it while you're riding, it'll hold your fingers on instead of slipping around by the belt. But nice little shifter. yeah, I'm gonna try to make 10 of these tonight, so we'll check in when we wrap it up. Finished products. I ended up getting 8 of them done. Before I get into that, videos are coming on now every Thursday. So doesn't matter if it's something epic or something basic like making these knobs. Every Thursday I'll have a video out. So keep watch for those. Tuesdays we're trying to get a podcast going right now. So Tuesdays we'll drop podcasts, Thursdays drop a video. Yeah, so into the knobs. This is the first one we made, and my mind kind of took a weird turn. And I assure you, these are not what you think they are. This is not an adult toy. This is a 100% authentic shift plug. So, or shift plug, shift knob. So, yeah, we got 3 of these things. Kind of weird. This one actually is super comfortable though. This one's super comfy too. A little different, but that's what makes choppers fun. You can do different stuff. I got another standard one like the first one I whipped up. Beveled top though on this one. Got a step down one right here. And this is what I'm most used to running right here. This is just a standard. I smoothed the bottom so it doesn't catch your finger weird. And then kept it square on the top for your hand to sit on. But it's pretty nice. Then last one here. Little beveled bottom edge on this. Cut into the top, into the center here. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. Keep a lookout for the new videos. Like I said, every Thursday something's come out. Catch you guys soon. Thanks.